Welcome back to the Professional Squishy Ball League, guys. We're up at Austin Heiner pitching, Hazen Rutz batting. Let's get to it. Hit in the head. Oh, strike! One. Count is 1-1 or 0-1. They hit you. Another hit, which resets the count again. I'm gonna get up closer to see if that helps. Instead of charging the mound, we got him charging the plate. Stop. They don't call me Happy Gilmore for nothing. Okay, yeah, let's get back to it though. Here's your bat. Suck a light. No, I'm lying. You wanna fucking go, bro? You will be kicked out of this, bro. Not even capping. Hazen, get up on plate, bro. Plates are right there. That mark right there. Little black mark. Okay, let's go with Austin. Oh, and that is a foul ball, you folks. Strike 2. Or strike 1. That hit your bat. No, what? Yeah, it did. It hit the bottom of your bat. That's a foul. Oh, with the nasty outside strike. That was an outside strike, right, Austin? Okay, count is 0-3 or 0-2. For the next pitch, that will be a ball. Count is 1-2. Here's the ball. As you can see, not a wiffle ball, but really squishy. Oh, did you get it back to the pitcher? Maybe. Okay, let's go. Oh, with a ball. Counts Count is currently 2-2. 3-2, full count. Let's go, guys. Will he throw a strike? Oh, hit Hazen Rutz, so that's a reset count because we don't have enough players to walk bases. With a ball. Oh, we got muscular Austin Heiner there. You'll love to see it. Hit by. No, it didn't hit right here. It did hit right here. Tipped off in the bat. That is a foul ball. It hit right here. Count is currently 1-1. What did it hit right here? That is a. Is that a high strike? I think that was a high strike. Right there. Oh. 1-2. That is another ball. The count is currently 3-1. We just need Austin to come back with 2 strikes in a row. And that is a reset count. 0-0. Hazen Rutz needs to swing every once in a while, not just sit there.
Bro, it's a bad pitch. I'm not going to swing. I don't need to get in that habit.
That is another foul or ball. That is a ball again. If there's a max of 5 walks, then it counts as an, then we're just gonna go. So that's 3 walks already. That's 2.
Bro, that would have hit your bat.
Hit by
That's a strike. Huh? You can't go like that. Okay. That's a strike.
foul ball, strike 2. The count is currently 1-2. Can Austin come back with the amazing pitch? Currently been recording for 5 minutes. With the hit me in the nuts, the count is currently 2-2. Count is 3-2. Full count. Can Austin get the strike to get him there? That is somewhat of a dinger by Hazelnuts. He's running bases. He is not out, and that is an inside homer.